Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. We have been getting so much work done. Oh my god. Unfortunately, it's not on the Mustang, but you know, away she goes. I've actually been driving the Mustang, which is crazy to me because, you know, just what a few weeks ago, this thing was in pieces. So yeah, I've been driving the Mustang, giving her a little rip here and there. So I realized, unfortunately, after I put everything back together, that I really should have swapped the springs in the back and put new bushings just to bump up the rear, because now the front is a little bit, it's about equal right now, but I'm not really a fan of that. I really want the rear to be a little bit more bumped up so that if I floor it, it's not just going way down like that. It's holding its own pretty well, but before we have any problems and before I go any further with it, I figured it's probably best if I put the new bushings. I just ordered these a few days ago, and they just got in today. Yeah, so I figured that's on the list somewhere. We're just gonna start taking stuff apart, and we're gonna go from there. YouTube, we're just gonna send it all the way. Stay tuned. Diesel Dan Peters signing out, I guess, until the time lapse. Oh, and that's another thing. I'm going back to night shift. I found out for a week, so maybe we'll be able to pump out a few more videos before the full night shift happens. I start tomorrow night, though. Stay tuned, YouTube. Oh boy, YouTube, what do we got going on again today? So I talked earlier about how I have those bushings I need to install, and I do. Got them in. Yep, spring isolators, 79 through 2004 Mustang. So definitely probably a little bit thicker than what was their stock. So we are going to first loosen the bolts on both sides for the wheels, just in preparation for jacking up the whole rear. And then we're going to town. That's it. Definitely going to town on this thing. Yeah, we gotta get the wheels off either way. So let's get the time lapse going, and yeah, let's get to a certain point where, I don't know, I guess I'm just gonna go as far as I can. YouTube, I'm not surviving off much sleep right now. I gotta switch to night shift. Another switch for the books. Well, it's perfect timing because my tinting appointment got delayed. I ended up just getting a whole nother appointment with a whole another place because tint rolled kind of failed me. I think I talked about that earlier already, but either way, still makes me feel better to talk about it. All right, YouTube, stay tuned. Let's get her done. dirt on the lens. So, got the car all jacked up now. I can already tell that both the top and the bottom bushings are just well, there is no bottom bushing actually. The top one for sure is shot too, so this is definitely going to help this thing out. And what we're going to end up doing is essentially we're removing bolt springs and we're going to swap them. So we're going to do like a full swap just to even out the load. Oh, it's going to be fun. Not really. Oh, I guess let's, guess we're gonna just have to get right to it. I'm wondering, I don't think I'm gonna have to remove the shock. Or maybe I will. Yeah, I might actually have to remove the shock, so yeah, I guess we're just gonna start moving stuff here too. Oh boy. We're getting down into the nitty gritty. Nitty gritty. YouTube, we are done. Did make a difference, thankfully. It did bump up the whole rear end exactly where I wanted it to be. I mean, there's not much more to say. I appreciate you all sticking around for the journey. Still, this is, I guess, my 7th or 8th cup today. This is what 22 hours of no sleep looks like. Actually, I'm pushing 23, I think, at this point. I am just feeling it now. I feel like not good. But retorqued all of the lug nuts, and I am just about done at this point. I'll show you all what I pulled out. Definitely all original or old, but that way it was at least old. Yeah, there wasn't much holding any of that up. The fact that it was still there, kind of a miracle, to be honest. Right? To be honest. Same with this one, just gone. There's just nothing there. So. Yeah, YouTube. Whew. What a workout. That was my own workout for today, I think. I'm not gonna have any energy later anyway. But I guess stay tuned. I don't really have any other words. I just wanted to not forget to make this clip showing it all back together. Yeah, she got bumped up where I needed it to be, because this had no space. This was basically in here, and I was afraid that it was gonna rub the tire. I don't think it actually would, because of the clearance we actually have in here, but you know, just to be on the safe side. Oh, I apologize, YouTube. Oh God. Yeah, definitely shot. Anyway, YouTube, that's all I got for now. Diesel Dan Peter signing out. Until the next one, or something like that. I don't know.